Hi everyone and welcome to Raymond Lee. So today we are back in Fuerteventura checking out a town called Gran Tarajal. It's a nice little town. Spend an hour or two. We parked near the roundabout there in that location. We walked across to the main park. Then we had a walk down to the beach all the way down to the harbour. While doing this we did an adventure lab, which is part of geocaching. We then walked back up to the town. So it's only a short one. I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to give the upload a like. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to check out our playlist from this wonderful island. Nice little beach, isn't it?
Is it real or key?
So we're starting down here, aren't we, Shell? Sequential. We got you got these murals on this in this small town that are dotted around. There's not many people around, and it is a port. And to be honest, there's no like tourist hotels or anything like that, so it's nice and quiet. So, Gran Tarajal sign. Mural on that wall look like a pirate and an octopus. Pretty cool. Adult female.
Investigation of mass strandings to 2002 coinciding with military manoeuvres led to a ban on military sonar within
50 miles of the Canary Islands. 4 and 10 metres in length.
And then these two, they and then go back to your reach. And you do the same work, so not near things. You do that thing, so come back, you have to sign. Just where we go. Or going home. How big is it?
Oh! That were a big one. Hi everyone, be sure to check out the Fuerteventura playlist and also check us out on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you and goodbye.